Hey everyone, welcome to the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. I am Christian B. Ihida, your tour guide for today. Get ready to explore the beautiful, breathtaking sight, cool climate, and rich culture of this beautiful city. Our itinerary for today includes a visit of two of Baguio's most famous attractions, Mines View Park and the Mansion. Along the way, I will also share interesting facts and stories about Baguio history and significance. Baguio is known for its pine trees, fresh strawberries, and unique blend of indigenous and colonial influence. Whether it's your first time here or you're a returning visitor, there is always something new to discover. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. First time, Mines View Park. As we arrive at Mines View Park, you will be greeted by a spectacular view of the old mining town of Itogon, Benguet. This park is one of the Baguio's most famous attractions, offering a panoramic view of Cordillera Mountain Range, which is a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Aside from the breathtaking view, you can immerse yourself in Baguio culture by trying on the traditional Ipugo attire and taking memorable photos. The vibrant, moving fabrics and handcrafted accessories reflect the artistic heritage of the Cordillera region. You can also shop unique souvenirs include hand-woven crafts, silver jewelry, and delicious local treats such as peanut brittle, strawberry jam, and ubi jam. And of course, don't miss the chance to try the famous Baguio strawberry tao, a delightful season beloved Philippine snack. For plant lovers, there are also a variety of ornamental plants and succulent available for purchase, perfect for bringing a piece of Baguio home with you. Feel free to explore and enjoy the scenery. We will have 30 minutes here to sightseeing, shopping, and picture taking, so make the most of your time before we proceed to our next destination. Second stop, the mansion. Next, we arrive at the mansion, one of the most historic landmarks in Baguio City, originally built in 1908 as the official summer residence of Governor General during American colonial period. It now serves as the summer retreat of the President of the Philippines. The mansion is famous for its grand white structure, intricate iron gates, and beautifully manufactured garden, making it one of the most photographed sites in Baguio. The design of the mansion is inspired by Spanish colonial architecture, giving it a regal and elegant appeal. While entry inside the mansion itself is a restricted, visitor can take photos at the gate, admire the impressive architecture, and stroll around the scenic ground. The surrounding gardens are well maintained, providing a peaceful ambience for a leisure walk. Not from Not far from the mansion, you can also visit Wright Park, known for its charming horses and picturesque pine lines with pine trees. If you have time, this is a great place to take a relaxing stroll or even enjoy a horseback riding experience. Take your time to capture stunning photos and enjoy the fresh Baguio breeze. If you have any question about the mansion history or neighbor attraction, feel free to ask. That concludes our enriched tour of Baguio iconic attraction. I hope you enjoy visiting Mines View Park and the mansion and learn something new about the city culture and history. Baguio has so much more to offer, from its blasting public market to its vibrant art scene and historical site. For choosing to explore the Baguio with us, enjoy the rest of your stay. Try some of the local delicacies like strawberry shortcake and uke, and don't forget to take home some souvenir. We hope to see you again on another adventure. Hope a wonderful day and safe travel.